Awesome.
All right, now, of course, like I said before, different medicine ball.
Intensify.
Weight, you can get more of a burn quicker by using a heavier weight, you know. Of course, I had to toss this like at least 30 times, but as far as this 20 pounder, I might throw this like a good 20, 15 times, and I can feel it already.
Feel the burn.
I'm gonna go ahead and knock some more of these out, and I'll get with y'all on the next exercise. You want to keep what we're doing, or you want to switch to the next one? Alright, this is the fat boy. And this is really the heaviest thing that they got here. So, now remember when you throw this medicine ball up, y'all, you gotta have some kind of coordination, hand and eye. Because you don't want this thing to come back down. If you're a guy, you don't want to hit your nuts. That'll suck. Women, you don't want to hit your boobies. I heard that hurts. Definitely don't want to hit your face. So just be careful, you know, when you're doing this exercise. It ain't for people that ain't got no hand-eye coordination. All right. In the medicine ball, I don't gotta go too high, just high enough to get it off in an explosive motion. You know, that's gonna tighten that core. And when it comes back down, it's gonna work the core too.
Now tell them how much that ball is again, that red one?
It's 20 pounds.
Okay, so that's 20 pounds.
Yeah.
Whoa. All right. My turn.
Just work on your balance.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to get the 8-pound one.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Ooh, that worked. Alright. So, there you go. First off, you gotta sit you sitting up good and strain your back. How's your back feel?
Great.
Keep it on your core, remember.
Okay.
That core, not the back.
It's on the
Good.
back part, like this.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Keep them laid down a little bit more.
Oh.
Alright, hands go.
Okay. Whoa, now it feels like a leg.
You gotta balance it.
My legs up.
You're good, you're good. Just get to where it's comfortable as long as your feet don't touch the floor.
I see what you mean.
Up a little bit more. There you go. There you go. Just keep it focused on it. It's gonna take time. You gotta go high. That's how you gotta work. You gotta push on your core, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
The balance helps too. I mean, you dance, if you whatever, you know what I'm saying? Some kind of coordination sport where you need that balance. This teaches balance, trains the core, and non-coordination. And once again, this is another workout that actual, fighters do this as well. And you see, she got to work with balance, she got to work with hand-eye coordination, and of course the core.
Woo. You got a golf ball over there?
Who?
A golf ball.
Yeah, I got the perfect ball for you. Yeah, the perfect ball for you.
Okay. All right.
You got hot 4 pounds over there.
All right.
Smooth forward.
Okay. Now, do my feet have to be off the floor?
Actually, yes, they do.
Dang!
Anyway, if it makes you feel like whatever, there's levels to everything. So don't think you gotta go hard. You know what I'm saying? Your first time doing this exercise. You don't have to. You know, if you want to keep feeling for it, that's fine. Just know you still gotta have that. You gotta still have that core up so you can, feel that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Get something to your abs.
Okay. I mean, I
There you go. 2, 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good deal.
Dang!
Good deal.
I'm like.
You'll be running marathons in a minute.
I feel like I've been working on my lower abs.
Yeah, it really gets you right there, especially if you've done it before. It really tighten you up. But you'll be surprised how much stronger your body is when you actually train your core muscles. Your core muscles will help you doing like darn near every sport.
Dang. I thought my core muscles were excellent. Now you're getting ready to do another exercise?
Yeah. Just give me a quick second.
Okay. Recording. Oh. Okay.
Try this not. See if it's heavy. If it's too heavy, we can lighten it up.
Okay. How much is that?
It's 12 pounds.
Okay.
Good?
Good.
Let's try.
You
You got it. There you go. Take it down over your head. Bring it back up. How does that feel? You do it? Go. Breathe. That's it. Hit it. There you go. Cool. 5. There you go. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 20. 13. Good job. 14. Go ahead. 15. 16. Come on, work on too. 17. There you go. Go good now. 18. Come on, mama, like a fight. Yeah, oh, yeah, really good right there. Come on. There you go. Last one. Come on, like a boss. Like him up. Like him up. There you go.
Woo!
That one was sweat right there.
Woo! Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you so much. Love you, love you. Bye.